You know, you have to be careful with it.
Yeah,
It's powerful.
It could be
It's like kryptonite to men. Just
that is a powerful gesture. Can we rewind it? Let's play back. I want to look at it.
cheers to Alta. Was it after dark? Oh my god.
And then you have to wait.
We go.
After.
Do you mind being flanked?
I'm glad I don't understand what that word means. So, yeah.
Yeah, you sit in the middle.
Sounds like a pirate term.
Yes.
Walk the flank.
Yes. Oh my god, this
I love
is
the
what I'm going
tilty
for.
taste.
I know.
Yeah.
Never really sit out here.
Gives you a fun
Wait a
house
minute.
vibe.
So you like actually eat
No,
full meals a day?
I get to go home and have dinner with the family.
That's true. But I mean, do you eat breakfast and lunch?
Let's call it brunch.
Well, I
Or
have
do
a
you just like
question.
snack?
Who makes the dinner?
You know, my beautiful wife makes the dinner
Wow.
most of the time, and it's a collaboration. My children are starting to cook,
All right.
and I'll get home kind of right on landing of dinner being served.
All right, then tell me about this meatloaf.
Actually, this is called Matt's Famous Meatloaf,
All right.
and Matt is the head baker at the bakery,
All right.
and it has mirepoix vegetables, carrots, onions, celery, and ground beef, and breadcrumbs, and special barbecue sauce that he puts in there, herbs, to lots of time,
Yeah.
and you know,
Takes a lot of time.
he works his magic and makes it happen.
Yeah. Are the onions caramelized? I'm getting sweet. Is that from the barbecue sauce?
Well, the onions are sweet,
right.
and the barbecue sauce is sweet.
Right.
It says tomato.
Oh God,
Are
it's
you a
fan.
meatloaf
But this is a little chimichurri.
Ooh.
Oh, I hope you love it.
Okay. How did you get into cooking?
Oh.
And is it at all related to your experience eating when you grew up?
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people, and it goes back to your dehydrated potatoes. You know, I think when you're young and you have a working family, and you know, your parents come home at 5 and they have to do the regimen of cooking and getting everything ready for the evening. A lot of cans are opened. You know, the children kind of wonder what the other side of the realm looks like. You know, where did the beans from the can come from? And that's really what drives a lot of people, I've learned, in the culinary world. A lot of people cook with their grandmothers and have these beautiful stories. Mine's a little more like my mother cooked. She made bread. But there was a lot of, it was a working family.
Right.
So she opened a lot of cans and,
Right.
you know, she microwaved a lot of stuff. And so, you know, I started baking in high school. And I'd get up really early at, 4 and go in and bake in Durham, North Carolina before I went to school. And I did that 3 days a week. And, I'd buy my own car and stuff.
That must have been a really good feeling.
No, it was a
No.
horrible feeling.
You're like, why
But, you know,
give me a card.
Exactly, but I usually shot up. Like when the alarm would go off,
Yeah.
I would just shoot up and get dressed and start
Oh.
driving. So I was really driven when I was younger.
Younger.
And you know, that's kind of pushed me in this direction.
Yeah. And this might be, you don't have to answer this.
Great.
Are there certain things in recipes that you just don't divulge to other people?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you know, I think in baking, it's easy to look at a recipe, but it's all about the method.
Right.
So if someone wants a recipe, I'll have no problem giving it to them.
Oh.
But you know, the method is a different story.
Right.
You don't tell them like, okay, now knead this bread. I don't know anything about bread. So like 8.5 times.
Way under needed.
I don't make, you know that. That's partially why we're here.
Yeah. Right.
So you don't tell them anything about like that.
No, I share.
Right.
I'm a sharer.
Right. Just fine. Yeah. Well, baking's kind of completely different. I mean, you need like a chemistry degree, really, or at least an understanding of the scientific method
Yeah.
to bake.
And practice makes perfect.
Yeah. Yeah. And I've never been able to do it. I've
Practice makes pucks. My cookies,
Yeah.
they're always dry pucks.
Yeah, why? Okay, this was
It's not good. It's
No.
not good at all.
And then we're all pissed that we wasted
Because there's no
$50
flour.
ingredients.
No, this is before the gluten-free times.
This
It's
is
not
what
good.
made you not like flour.
Ooh, look at this. Wait, these are gonna be macaroons?
Yeah. We're gonna fill them with Irish cream buttercream.
Oh my god, yeah. How long have you been baking, Santana?
About 2.5 years.
Oh, good for you. Pavlova.
Yes.
Do you
Okay, are we
do you
waiting
wanna-
for them to-
Here's what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
We're just gonna go step by step, and I'll show you how to make a pavlova.
Okay.
You want to do it?
Let's
Let's
do it.
go!
Okay, tell us the 3 ingredients.
Okay, here it is. Egg whites. Go ahead and pour it.
Go.
Is that me?
Go ahead.
This is 1 cup of egg whites.
1 cup.
Smell that treat. I'm just determined to ruin it. 1 cup of egg whites?
Yeah.
Come on.
You gotta pour it slow.
No, you don't. You never said anything about
Listen,
that.
everything in baking must be poured
That's
slow.
not true.
Okay? Lock me up here.
You're
One,
both right.
1 cup of egg whites.
Here's actually what you want to do. When you add the sugar, you want to go a little, you want to pour it slow. So I will say this about a meringue. When you make a meringue, we're going to dissolve the sugar. We're going to heat it up so that the sugar dissolves and makes a really strong meringue. And what that means is it'll encapsulate the air that's being mixed into it more easily.
Does it heat up because of the mixing?
No, we're going to use this.
Oh!
We're going to use this there too.
Wow.
Yes. Okay.
Also, when you make a meringue, you want to mix it slowly, because if you mix it really high, like this, it makes larger air pockets. But you want small air pockets to make it really silky.
Okay.
So that's a key.
Okay.
All right. So I'll turn this on kind of low and just slowly put the sugar.
Oh, that wasn't slow.
Perfect.
How
Make sure it
slow?
all goes in.
Well, how slow is
That's
slow?
perfect. Just like that.
This is very stressful.
You're doing
Is
great.
that too fast?
Perfect. Keep going. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. You'll dump it all in.
Okay. Too slow. This is why I
No,
don't
you
think-
did great because the ball didn't end up in the other ball. Here's what I do. You kind of torch the ball. Alright? Okay, and then this will mix for approximately 10 minutes.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So this is called, this is the skip beat.
Okay.
We did it.
Yes.
Congratulations, everyone.
Took a lot
I always
of
do this. It's called a bird's beak test,
Right.
where you kind of, and then you,
It's kind of like
And it
a, almost like a
doesn't drop.
volleyball.
yeah, it kind of stays there. So that's like what's called the bird's beak.
That makes more sense than trying to put this whole thing
Well,
upside
you
down.
can
No,
touch
no, I don't want to.
And then what we're gonna do is we're going to we want to make a big.
Okay.
So we're gonna. This is what we'll put it on eventually after it comes out of the oven.
Excellent, sir.
I'm gonna fill up this bag and pipe it on. You wanna pipe it?
Oh, good. Okay, I want to go first.
Go do it.
Yeah. So
What do I do?
whatever you want,
That's right.
Just go.
Do I squeeze from the top?
Oh, okay, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? So
Okay.
what I do is I squeeze
Oh, from the top. Just like I asked. Just like I
You
asked.
already know. And then you follow the
Oh,
interior.
straight down. Okay.
Okay.
And then once you get here, just fill in the inside.
Uh-oh.
You're
It's
doing
going, oh no, it's already smushed.
Oh,
Perfect.
God. Wow.
Well, let's see if you do any better. Oh, see? Oh no, it's very uneven. You gotta have a steady hand that I don't. Okay, now you
It
go
helps.
ahead.
It helps if you go while you're
Well, I got
piping.
the easy bit.
While you're piping, you do this.
So wait, do I keep going around
Yes.
in a circle?
Yes,
You can
right.
go around the circle. Yes.
Alright,
Yeah.
only because I want to best Noelle at her circle.
Yeah, I know. Let's see you do
Alright,
it.
we'll start
Like
here.
better than that.
It's all about consistency. Here we go.
Pride comes before a fall.
So, go.
There's a gap.
If you laugh, it helps.
On that base, it's gonna be a huge gap. Oh, see, look,
No,
it's
he's
just
doing
quiet. So tell me,
He's.
why is it so much
We'll
water?
fix it.
Okay.
Everything can be fixed.
Listen.
Keep going. We gotta get this in the oven.
Yeah, well, am I doing the whole thing now? My confidence is shot because of the gaps.
You're doing great.
Why do you have to really smooth it in? That's my excuse.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Oh, nice. That looks a lot.
So it's really the outer layer that's most important.
That's right. You want to kind of get it even.
I didn't know we were doing one disc.
There you go.
It's called a disc.
That's a beautiful disc.
Beautiful disc.
You know, when this is in the oven, it'll kind of puff up,
All right.
and set.
All right.
Well, you can do this.
Okay.
Where you just kind of place it.
Oh yeah, this one has the ridges on it.
God.
I love it. How many should I do?
As many as that meringue can do.
Yeah, better at this. Better at
Ooh,
this.
Ryan, you're gonna do this one. Yeah, you're gonna do this.
Whoa. Whoa. Sharp things.
Can I just do that? Okay.
Oops, that one got really bad.
Oh, almost. You're doing great.
You're doing great, Brian. There, that
did it. We only
All
need
right.
2. So that's
Oh, so the 2 you did.
all right. So you know what we do is we have a mark. We put this at let's say 2 degrees
Okay.
for 2
Hours?
hours.
Wait, are you serious?
Let's go.
All right. Can I bring this one?
Yeah.
All right.
This is freeze-dried raspberries.
Beautiful.
Smells nice, so we just kind of sip them on top.
Ooh. Tell us what's next, because we don't know.
That is beautiful. Perfect.
Okay.
You did it.
We did it. Masturbation's here.
All right.
Ooh, the lemon curd. This is what I'm most
Lemon
excited
curd.
about.
Oh, you're just gonna kind of pipe
Whoa.
it in here.
Okay.
Just
fill
fill
it
in that void.
Okay. I'm not gonna go as slow as I did last time. Oops. See, do you see I have more
Beautiful.
flair now, Brian?
No, no, I saw it.
It was a little
great.
better that
Yeah,
time.
it's
Good.
prolific.
Ooh, yes.
Brian, you can do this. You just put it on the edge.
Okay. On the outside, not really in it.
This is the part where we can put these meringues.
Ooh.
These are slow baked meringues. And what I have done is you kind of put them on the outside. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just put 5 kind of evenly all the way around. These are flowers from the garden.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Cool.
So this is rose geranium, nasturtium. These are roses. This is from
Cherry
it's a plum,
blossom? A plum.
plum tree. Some lavender. Oh, so nice.
Don't you think it looks beautiful?
I'm so pleased with that.
Ooh, I gotta take a picture.
Amazing.
Hold my jerky glove.
Yeah.
Honestly, this is impressive.
It
With
is
the
impressive.
layers,
I want to know. Now I want to know. You know, it's like watching Ross paint. You know, you're like, oh, I can do that.
Bob Ross.
Yeah. And then you try to do it. And it's like, these clouds aren't puffy.
Your tree's darn happy.
You're comparing Ben's baking
Yes,
to Bob Ross's
thank you so
paintings?
much.
I don't know if I
No,
feel
he
like
didn't.
that's-
Thank you.
Yeah, that's not a compliment.
I will accept it. We offer pastries in the morning, and then at 11 o'clock we put out pre-made sandwiches, cakes, cookies, and we have a cold case of dessert items. We offer beer and wine. We do a lot of things for a lot of people. My name is Ben. I'm a chef partner of the Alta Group at the Alta Bakery in Monterey, California. We're open from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. And this is Alta After Dark.